Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to make chicken shawarma. Put 3 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Bring 4 breasts. Here I have 4 breasts with me. I sliced them very thin and let it cook. Just mix it all together. Make sure separate them from each other and just keep stirring, and you're gonna see some water and let it evaporate before you put all the spice. See how much water we got from the chicken mixed with the olive oil? Just leave it, it's gonna evaporate soon. Let the chicken cook in the oil. Gives you a very good taste. Mix well. See how it is? The water is disappeared. Now add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're ready for the spices. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, garlic powder, cumin, cinnamon, coriander, 7 spice if you have it. If you don't, just forget about it, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Put all of them at once with the chicken. Mix it all together until the chicken absorbs all the spices. Make sure don't burn it. And then in the end, just add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just keep mixing, and that's it. Your chicken basically is ready. Now it's time for the white sauce. Add 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, half cup of sour cream. Now for the spices, half a teaspoon of cumin and half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure salt, don't put too lot, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Put 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Don't forget the lemon. Put 1/3 cup of lemon. Mix it well until all the spices get together and get thick. Just whisk it good. See, it's good when it's thick. And if you want to drizzle a little bit of cinnamon or ginger, that's up to your taste. Now we come to the tahini sauce. Add 1 cup of tahini and 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of lemon and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. See the consistency, and if you want to drizzle black pepper, you can do that. Now I like to mix tahini sauce with the chicken before I serve to make sure all the sauce go through the chicken. It's nice when you put it in the sandwich. Mix it well. It's all up to your taste. Just mix well, and the rest leave it on the table. When you make sandwich, you add to the sandwich. And here is the white sauce too. You put some with the chicken, just mix it well. See how it became? It looks very nice. I like to make chicken shawarma. It's delicious and easy to make too. See, and I know you know what is popular. Now we're preparing the sandwiches. Get the pita bread and the vegetable like pepper, onion, and tomato. Spread the tahini sauce and white sauce also if you want. It's up to your taste. Now layer the chicken on the top. Put as much as you could. You know how to make sandwich. And just layer the vegetable on top of each other. Add the spinach. This is up to your taste. Add the sauce also on the top if you want. Fold the sandwich. Bon appetit! See how it looks?